whatever America says and does with regard to Afghanistan and Pakistan, that's a signal to its allies in the West. UK would automatically do that. But Trump has vitiated that relationship too with Europe. Do you see the Quad nations taking their signal as always from the US with regard to Pakistan and Afghanistan?
Quad nations.
Australia, Japan. Japan has invited Shehbaz Sharif after 21
look.
years, a Pakistan Prime Minister.
No, see, some of that will continue to happen. Maybe if the Americans are, getting close to Pakistan, some of the American allies will continue to, also do the same thing. But I'm sure the Japanese realize the limitations. The Aussies realize, even if they don't. I don't think what kind of a relationship some of these countries make with Pakistan should. I don't think I have any locus standi in telling them don't get close to
Sushant,
Pakistan.
Japan invites Pakistani Prime Minister a week after a nuclear threat has been made by the. No, understand Japan. And invites when?
Yeah, that's virtue signaling that Japanese have a vested interest in ensuring there's no nuclear war around the world. You
On
want to buy that?
Hiroshima's
One other thing about
anniversary.
Japan, there are a lot of reports that the Japanese are fed up of Pakistanis who are coming there and begging and molesting Japanese women. A lot of that is going around in
तो
the
मत
media.
ले आओ उनको.
नहीं, so it could well be the Japanese PM tell him कि तू tell your guys to become bandhas.
So there's no
No, I don't think
demographic
so.
change
I have
which
my
is
doubts,
happening.
No, it is a problem with Japan because they have a declining population.
Okay, how is UK going to react? I said Quad, but how is UK going to react? How's Europe reacting now?
No, but
See-
first of all, with Quad, how is India reacting? I think that is the more important thing to see before talking about
Yeah, in the sense
Australia
that
and
will
Japan.
we be going ahead with the Quad meeting?
Yeah.
Should we be going ahead with the Quad meeting?
I don't think it's happening.
Ideally, I think we should say कि नहीं, it's
There's
not
just 3
convenient
more months
right
left.
now.
September,
हाँ.
October, November, and
Right.
there's 4 months left,
Right.
right? Now,
नहीं फिर pollution हो जाती है ना इंडिया में.
no, but in the sense that UN के लिए PM जा रहे हैं. So it's all set.
Yeah, is he
already.
going?
Yeah, he's going.
I
to-
don't see why he should. See, my point is that look at the messaging which is coming from the US. When somebody like the Secretary of State is as brazen or Trump's trade advisor, just today's news, right? Where Secretary Rubio is saying that, look, if the Chinese were not in the oil market, then were not buying Russian oil, the oil prices would go up, there would be shortages. So the Chinese buying Russian oil is
Kosher.
going to stabilize the market. The Indian buying Russian oil is fueling the war.
War, yeah.
Can anybody make sense of it?
Yeah.
I mean,
Okay.
Garcetti himself, the US ambassador, he said, we have told India to buy oil from
No,
Russia.
no, sir,
That
he
was
was the
Pele.
enemy.
Huh.
He was the enemy. Forget
Democrat
Garcetti,
tha na,
right?
huh.
Forget him. I'm talking about the current administration. Look at just today Rubio has said this.
Yeah.
The trade advisor Navarro, who's quite a madcap,
Yeah.
he is saying something that the Indians are fueling this war
Yeah.
by buying Russian oil,
Which is the
by
most
processing,
bizarre-
by
bizarre
processing 50% of the Russian oil and selling it to other players and making the money and paying the Russians in dollars. The Russians are not accepting a single dollar payment.
Huh.
The Russians have stopped selling their oil in dollars. They don't accept dollars anymore. They don't even accept euros. Right. So the point is that I don't know. It's very clear that the current American establishment has declared us enemy number one. Now you can hide behind it. You can try and
That's a very strong
cover
statement.
it. What else is it, yaar?
Okay.
Please tell me. Is it any different?
I won't go so
you-
far
Sir,
to say
their
enemy,
their-
but certainly a country of concern.
Their
That's the
actions-
word that they use.
Sir,
That's
please.
such an awkward situation
Yeah,
to be in. I mean, I
absolutely.
find it
Can
very
you imagine
difficult.
within a spate of 3 months?
Yeah.
Within
Yeah.
a spate of
They
3
seem.
months.
Tell me, which other country are they behaving in as vicious a manner as they're behaving with us?
Yeah. No,
Please
they
tell
singled
me.
out India.
Right?
India has been
Singling us out.
singled
So
out.
then how else do you define an enemy or an adversary?
So you tell me, is
Acha, and then you look at Europe. So a lot of people in India say that, look, we should look to Europe now. Is Europe willing to stand up for itself? They couldn't stand up for themselves against the Americans on trade and other issues. Do you think they will stand up against the Americans for us? Or for our sake?
they did for Zelensky? They've all landed up together.
Yeah, because
in-
out there.
So that will be
it's-
very interesting to see.
Huh.
that's
Let us
to
see
save
what
their
happens.
in the White,
backyard.
no, it was in the White House.
Huh.
Do they stand up for Zelensky? Because Trump is very clear that Zelensky has to accept the conditions offered by Putin.
Huh.
Will now Europe stand by Zelensky and take a panga with the US or not?
I think they will, because they have said it pretty clearly. The EU has said it very clearly that sovereignty is something that is, you can't question Ukraine's sovereignty. And that sovereignty, the word sovereignty, is something which is up for grabs as far as Putin is concerned. He wants
Then if they
territory.
can stand up to Trump today, then similarly they should be able to stand up with him in anything
For
else.
India, if it comes to that. But will they bother? Because with India, it's a different thing. It's not their
They're
yard.
buying their refined
plus,
oil from India.
They're buying the refined oil, but they're also blaming us for buying the oil from Russia. But they are also buying gas from Russia, of which they have no compunction.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा।
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है।
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप।
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI, it does not lie.